Welcome you all. I am Raju Manji. In this video lecture, I will discuss about select case. So select case is equivalent to the switch case of C or C++ language. So select case, an expression is dim R number as integer. Console dot write line enter the roll number. R number equal to console dot read line. Select case R number. Case 1 console dot write line. Ravi. Case 2 console dot write line Sumit. Case 3 console dot write line Amit. Case 4 console dot write line Ishani. Then console dot read line to hold the screen. So select case expression is like this. We are entering the roll number. Suppose user enter a roll number is 3. Value of this variable matches with a case value. So here case value is 3. This particular case block will be executed, and remember this block will be transferred directly case block 3. No other cases will be checked. So in the select case, directly transfer to the particular block and particular block will be executed. Let us see. Okay, enter roll number 3. So output will be get Ravi. So in this case the user enter 3. So the case value is 3, directly matches and particular block will be executed. And the case does not match with any case value block case else will be executed. So execute and check. Suppose input value is 8. So here else block does not given. So we have to write else and else. So you write case else console dot write line invalid roll number. Okay, execute the program and check. Suppose the enter roll number is 8, but here in this program the roll number 8 does not given the case value of 8. So all the cases does not match. In this situation, case else are executed directly. So here case else are given invalid roll number. So we get the output will be invalid roll number. So this expression must be executed to the case value comparatively. You see my previous video. The previous video is ladder if else. The ladder if else are executed. Suppose the first if block does not match, so control will be transferred to the second case, second if else. But here directly case value are executed. So in the ladder if else, any boolean expression is executed greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and in the ladder if else condition is true, the control will be transferred into the if block. This if block will be executed. You get the message on the screen. But in the all the remaining block will be skipped. But condition first will be false, then control will be transferred to the second condition. All the condition will be false, then in this situation else block will be executed. But in select case, the first case will be suppose the user enter any case, directly it will be work comparatively, but all cases will be false. In this case else, case else will be executed. So it is the difference between difference of the select case and ladder if else. If you have any query regarding this video, please do comment below. Thank you.